What's up everyone, and welcome to my special unboxing, because today we've got two PS Vitas. Now I'm only going to unbox one of them, so let's get straight into it. This is, as we can see, this is the 3G and Wi-Fi model. It also came with Killzone. Let's get into the box. Ooh. Make sure you give a like so I can continue doing these awesome videos. We start off with a quick start guide. Welcome to the world of PlayStation. That opens up as such. The PS Vita. Off to the side just for 1 second. Cables. What do we have here? You know, the charger. A USB cable. And we've also got, looks like a user's guide. And that is everything. Didn't stop there though. Picked up two 8GB memory cards and two copies of Killzone. Can't wait to play this bad boy. We didn't stop there. I didn't tell you before, one PS Vita is for myself, the other is a friend's. I've decided to get this really nice case, and it's a hard case. We're going to open it up. So it's a nice hard shell, and I'll keep my PS Vita nice and safe. A pair of headphones in the box, it's always a bonus. A warranty card, a soft card, I'm not sure what that does. As well as that, picked up a nice handy dock, and it comes with cables. And my friend, he decided to get a starter kit. You can see here. Gonna open up this up. I need to get a unboxing knife, so thumbs up for the unboxing knife. Just gonna have to use scissors today. Here we go. Everything falls out. So, instruction manuals. A cleaning cloth which fell on the ground. Ooh, a nice, I forget what these are called. Yeah. And to put your games into. So that's a nice little case. You can fit, what, 8 games and 2 memory cards, if I'm not mistaken. Feels nice, got the PlayStation logo there. A PS Vita case, or a sleeve. A screen protector, it's quite nice. And this pouch, we'll have to open this up. This is a nice pouch to keep it in, and like I said before, you've got a sleeve for it. So that pretty much wraps up the video. Hope you've loved the unboxing. Like I said, over the next few days we'll be playing Killzone and testing the Vita. If you got any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments section, and please give me a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Thanks so much for watching.